Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine.
And today we're going to talk about the buzziest ingredient out there, vitamin C.
So today we're going to take you through the basics of what vitamin C is, and in a later video we'll take you through a little bit more detail. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
So let's start with what vitamin C actually is. We all know that it's amazing for our body and supplements and fruit, but it's actually amazing for the skin. It's a very powerful antioxidant ingredient that helps you with glowy, brighter, and supple skin overall.
And the amazing thing about vitamin C is that it's not just about brightness, which of course is amazing as well, but it's a restorative ingredient. So vitamin C has been clinically proven to actually work to restore collagen in the skin, youthfully plumping up the skin and just improving overall tone, texture. It's just a wonder ingredient.
Yeah, it's clinically proven to improve hyperpigmentation, brown spots, dark spots, which we're all worried about all the time, and ultimately just evening out your skin so that it's silky smooth. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, and what that means is that it helps the skin from free radicals, which are unbalanced molecules that are damaged by sun exposure, UV rays, and pollution. So by adding antioxidant and infusing it into your skin, you're not only protecting yourself from future damage, but you're also undoing the past damage.
So vitamin C is available in all kinds of different forms, and of course one of the most well-known is pure vitamin C, also known as L-ascorbic acid or LAA. LAA is great for the skin, but also notoriously unstable, especially over time or when exposed to the air and sun. So recently there have been new developments like vitamin C derivatives, including types like 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid.
So these derivatives are amazing. I mean, there are different grades of the derivatives, but the purer ones are amazing in the efficacy, but also stability. Many of you have expressed concerns about stability of pure vitamin C. Usually what happens is over time, when vitamin C is exposed to sun, UV rays, or air, it tends to oxidize. And you'll see browner color, like an amber. It looks beautiful actually, but it's a sign of being oxidized. And also that means, it's not harmful, but it's actually less and less effective over time.
So that's why you want to make sure you're storing your vitamin C products, whether they're pure or derivatives, to be safe, in a cool, dry, dark area. Keep the cap tightly closed at all times to minimize any exposure.
Even though ascorbic acid is so effective on the skin for the brightening effect, because it tends to be unstable, sometimes it needs a little help from other ingredients such as vitamin E. And this ingredient actually is amazing to help balance the overall formulation. And it helps to overall brighten but also smooth and hydrate the skin.
And vitamin E is also an antioxidant, and there have been clinical studies that show when the two antioxidants, vitamin C and vitamin E, are used together, there's a synergistic effect that not only helps with efficacy but also stability. Sometimes vitamin C, as efficacious as it is, can also be a little bit harsh on the skin, so you want to make sure the formulations you're choosing not only have hydrating ingredients but also soothing ingredients to help balance out the overall formulation.
You also want to look for other antioxidant ingredients that are blended together with vitamin C. Sometimes it's not always the best solution to have that brighter, better skin with one single ingredient. We have been talking to a lot of Korean dermatologists who have advised us to use formulations that are amazing for anti-aging that tend to be more blended with other antioxidants, whether it's fruit-powered or vegetable, or green tea is a great example of a very powerful antioxidant ingredient.
Vitamin C can also increase photosensitivity, which means your skin might be a little bit more sensitive to UV rays when you're using it. So you always want to make sure you're pairing an SPF with it in the daytime. That being said, your vitamin C can actually help make your SPF even more powerful because you're pairing an antioxidant with your SPF and creating this kind of dual shield, in a sense, that helps fight free radicals even more effectively.
Just because vitamin C is amazing for brightening dark spots and hyperpigmentation, it doesn't mean you should just spot treat. You can actually apply it all over the face, and I think it's better that way because it is a great way to be preventative from signs of aging.
And as with any other powerful active, you want to make sure that you're starting off slowly when you incorporate a vitamin C into your routine. And when you're using a formula you haven't tried before, patch test it a little bit on the nape of your neck before going full face to make sure that the formula is compatible with your skin. Additionally, start off slowly by incorporating maybe alternative days or either morning or just night before you start using it morning and night every single day.
When you're just starting your vitamin C journey, you want to take a gentle and slow approach. So you want to minimize overlapping other very active ingredients such as retinol, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, lactic acid, you name it. These are amazing ingredients and we love them, but you just want to introduce them slowly one after another.
So give it a period of around 2 weeks before you really start incorporating other actives into your routine. And then once again, to Sarah's point, one by one.
So with all this said, when can we actually start seeing results?
So generally, from my personal experience too, and what I've been hearing from our customers, if you start incorporating a vitamin C into your routine, you'll generally see results within a few days of overall brightening.
I've seen immediate
and
results
softening.
myself, yeah.
But really, you do want to give it a period of at least 28 days, which is your normal skin turnaround cycle, and give it that time to really see the long-term benefits.
If you're looking for an introduction to a gentle but effective vitamin C, we recommend the Pineapple C Bright Serum. We formulated this for a really long time because we wanted to introduce something that could work for everybody, whether you have extra sensitive skin to very healthy skin. We formulated this with over 22% pineapple juice, which is a gentle form of natural vitamin C. But we also added pure vitamin C, right?
And also 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a vitamin C derivative, to help make the formula more stable. And then additionally added in a ton of hydrating and soothing ingredients like chamomile to just once again balance out the formula so that you're getting the radiance, the brightening, but also the hydration.
So thank you for watching. We hope you learned a lot about vitamin C, especially if you're just beginning vitamin C journey. This could be a good information. But we want to go even deeper and go in depth with what vitamin C really is.
So if you have any questions or comments about vitamin C, leave them below and we'll cover them in our next vitamin C in-depth video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, get your glow on!